Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to request money from a contact using Bizum, updated for 2025. Let's dive in. Step 1, open your bank's mobile app. First, unlock your phone and open the mobile app for your bank where you use Bizum. Make sure the app is up to date so you can access all its latest features. Step 2, find the Bizum section. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Bizum option. This is usually under the Transfers, Payments, or Send Money section. Step 3, tap on Request Money. Next, look for the option that says Request Money, Solicitar Dinero, or something similar. This is where you can send a payment request. Step 4, enter the contact and amount. Type in the phone number of the person you want to request money from, or select them directly from your contacts. Then enter the exact amount you'd like to request. Step 5, add a short description. Add a brief message like dinner, rent, or whatever reason you're requesting money for. That way, they'll know exactly why they're being asked. Step 6, confirm and send the request. Double check the details, especially the phone number and amount, and then tap confirm or send. Your contact will get a notification in their app so they can pay you instantly. Pro tip, you can always track the status of your request and even send a polite reminder directly in the app. And that's it. Now you know how to request money with Bizum in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please like, hit the cake, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.